And welcome to the new episode. In this video we are going to learn about that how we can identify a valid pullback. What is valid pullback and how we can identify and what criteria you should follow to confirm a valid and invalid pullback. This video is very important for you because most of the traders don't know exactly that where is our valid and invalid pullback, and in a smart money concept every single move, every single candlestick create a specific reason to create anything like POI structure and pullback, and there are different things. So in this video we are going to just focus on that how we can identify a valid pullback, which is very important. Once you understand where is our valid pullback, you can easily mark your structure, you can easily spot your inducement, liquidity, everything. So first of all you have to understand what is pullback. Pullback means when market push downside or upside in impulsive wave, something like this. Let me show you exactly. Like market push downside in an impulsive move, then market take a pullback to the upside and market push downside. So this is important. This one is our valid pullback. But so you can understand this pullback when market momentum is a bearish, but market taken out the previous candle high, that's create a valid pullback, and price must be taken out the at least one candle previous high to confirm a valid pullback. Same thing applicable in a bullish market. When market momentum is a bullish and taken out the previous candle low, they create a bearish momentum. Same scenario applicable in a bullish market. If market momentum is a bullish and taken out the previous candle low, which one is here, they create a valid pullback, something like this. So this move is like this, right? Because this one is our corrective wave and this one is our impulsive wave, and this one is our continuation, because impulse and this one is a correction and this one is a continuation. Now let me show you exactly on chart, then you can understand very easily. This one is our live chart in a GBP USD as per the 1 hour time frame. You can identify any time frame, 1 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly, any time frame, because rule will be same in every time frame. You have to understand if market is a bullish, market must be taken out the previous candle to confirm a valid pullback. Let me show you exactly on this chart. This is our live chart. If I ask you here how many valid pullback in this case, first of all start from the top of the structure, then bottom of the structure. So this will be helpful for buy and sell. So in this case you can see here what happened here. Top of the structure is here. This one is our last buying candle before this top, and the next two candle not break this candle high, right? So this one is not a valid pullback. This one is our single leg move is here, something like this, correct? Then what happened here? Market push downside and this candle taken out by this move. It means this become our valid pullback is here, which is something like this, right? And then what happened here? At this point market again push downside after this move, and market again trying to go higher, and a lot of people mark this as a valid pullback, and they mark, and some people mark this one is our as a pullback, something like this. But in reality this is not a valid pullback. This is just inside wire, because this candle not break the previous candle high, so this one is not a valid pullback. If this candle break this low, which one is here, something like this, okay, and this candle broke the previous candle high, something like this, so this become our valid pullback. But right now this is not a valid pullback. This is just inside bar. So right now we have a pullback like this, single move is here, okay. And then what happened here? Market push higher high, break the previous candle high is here, and they create another pullback is here, again push downside, again market create new pullback is here. Why this is a pullback is a valid? Because this candle high is here, this is candle low is here, because this is our lowest candle. This is our lowest candle of this move. This candle high broken by this move, so this become our valid pullback, something like this. Again market push downside, okay, and after push downside what happened here? You have to understand market momentum is a bearish, then market at least taken out the previous candle high to confirm a valid pullback. And valid pullback can be your one candle, two candle, three candle of very larger move also. So it's depend. There is no specific shape and size. Okay, so this is our valid pullback in this case. And right now you can see here at this point what happened here. Market momentum is a bearish, market taking out the previous candle high is here. Why? Because this is our lowest candle is here, right? And market create another pullback is here and push downside. So I hope you understand that how we can identify a valid pullback in a bearish market. And now what will be happen if market momentum is a bullish? Same scenario will be happen. If market momentum is a bullish, market must be taken out the previous candle low to confirm a valid pullback. In the bullish market, same scenario happen here. Market push upside and taken out the previous candle low, at least taken out the previous candle low to confirm a valid pullback. This one happen here, right? And then what happen here? Market push upside and they create pullback, right, like this, okay? But this is a not a valid pullback. Why this is a not a valid pullback? Because it's look a very good to marking a valid pullback, because this is a trap for the retailers, for the smart money traders. They mark this as a valid pullback, okay? But in reality, this is a not valid pullback. This is a single leg move, something like this, right? And how we can identify them? First of all, you have to understand where is our last highest candle. This one, right? So this one is our highest candle, and highest candle low is here. Both high and low both are protected. Then how you can identify? Then candles both high and low are protected. Then how we can say this is a valid pullback? No, this is a not a valid pullback. This is a single leg move, something like this, right? And the next attempt, what happened here? This candle high is here and broken by this candle, right? So this become our move, something like this. So this is a valid pullback right now. And again market push upside, and then market taken out the previous candle low. They create another pullback is here, and you have to wait for another break the previous high. Which one is here? Break the previous high is here. So in this case, where is our pullback? This become our pullback, and this is our single leg move. Again market push downside, and to create any valid pullback, market must be taken out the previous candle low. So this one is our highest candle is here. Market must be taken out the previous candle low. If market taken out this low, this create a valid pullback is here, okay? So same thing happen here. Market create a valid pullback is here, and then market again push higher high, something like this. At this point, this is also a valid pullback, because this candle high and low broken by this candle, okay? If both side high or low broken, which is also work, market at least taken out the opposite side of the move. Same scenario happen here. Again push upside, right? This is our highest candle. You can see here there are a lot of bullish candle here, but not break the previous candle low. Finally market break the previous low at this point, right? So this become our a valid pullback in this case. So same scenario will be applicable if market momentum is a bullish and bearish. You have to understand, if market is a bullish and bearish doesn't matter. Simply you have to remember one thing: if market momentum is a bullish, then you have to wait for taking out the previous candle low, then pullback become a valid, and one single candle also act like a valid pullback. There is a no shape and size. Now let me show you some different scenario where pullback is a valid and where is not a valid. In this case, you can see here, this is our single leg move here, and there are lot of up pullback is here. Market trying to push higher before to drop. This is our highest candle, and this is our highest candle low, right? Both are protected, and this candle broken this low, right? At this point, once market break this low, market at least taken out the previous candle high. So where is our previous candle high, which is actual high is here? This is just inside bar, right? So this is a not a valid pullback. If this dark candle break the previous candle high, which one is here, okay? So this can be become a valid pullback, something like this, okay? But market not break the previous candle high, and market sharply pushing downside continue. You can see here. So this is just single leg move here. At this point, same scenario happen here. Market trying to push upside, but market not taking out the previous candle high. So this is a not a valid pullback at this point. And same scenario happen here just below it. Market not break this high, market not break this high. So this is our single leg move is here until this low, right? At this point, finally market break this high is here, and this create a valid pullback at this point. Again market push downside. Same scenario happen here. Market must be break the previous low, break this previous low. So where is our next pullback in this case? You can see here at this point, this low broken here, and finally after broke this candle, you can see at this point, where is our next pullback possible is here. After broke the previous major low, this candle taken out by this move, right? So this become our a valid pullback, something like this, okay? So this one is our valid pullback. If market not break the previous candle high or low, which is a not a valid pullback, you can see here at this point, market break the previous structure and break the structure, you can say change of character, whatever you called it. Then what happened here? Where is our pullback in this case? You can see here, this candle broke this move, right? Which is our highest candle is here, right? But this candle high broken by the next candle, which one is here, okay? So it means this is our highest candle. Price must be break this previous candle low, which is here. If market break this low, so this become our valid pullback. If not, and market continue pushing upside, so this is count as a single leg move. Finally market break this low is here, and this become our valid pullback, something like this, okay? And again pushing upside. In the next wave, what happen here in this pullback? What happen if candle taken out the previous candle low is here, something like this, right? So this become our also a valid pullback is here, because this candle high and low broken by this candle, right? So this can be become our valid pullback is here. So I hope you understand that how we can identify a valid pullback in a bullish and bearish market scenario. You have to simply focus on opposite side candle high or low. Like if market is a bullish, then you have to wait for taking out the at least one single candle low to confirm a valid pullback. If market not taking out the previous candle high or low, those are not a valid pullback. In this case, you can see one more example is here. Market again break the previous candle low and this become our valid pullback, right? And we are just learning that how we can identify a valid pullback. It's not about entry and it's not about structure mapping. Structure mapping and entry related video already posted on YouTube. You can watch on my YouTube channel. So after this one, what happened here? Break the previous high, okay, and after break the previous major high, in terms of the structure, okay, then you can see market create continue higher high, right, and not breaking the previous candle low. Then you have to wait until taking out the previous candle low. So finally what happened here? At this point, market taking out the previous candle low and this become our valid pullback, something like this, okay. And then same scenario happen here. Again market trying to push higher and break the previous candle high and continue pushing upside. So at this point, what happened here? And this one is a small pullback and continue push upside. But this is not a valid pullback. This one is our invalid pullback, because in this case, as you can see here, this candle highest candle is here, right? This is our highest candle and this is our highest candle low. Those high and low both are protected and this is a inside bar. If anything happen between the major candle high and low, doesn't matter. This is a not a valid pullback. This move count as a single leg move, something like this, okay. So this is a not a valid pullback. This is an invalid pullback. If market taken out this pullback like this, so this become our valid pullback. But market not break the previous candle high or low, so this is a not a valid pullback. If you are thinking that market break the previous candle low is here, then why this is a not valid pullback? Because this one is our actual candle high, which is broken by this candle high. Okay, so market must be break the master candle high. You can say this one is a master candle and this was an inside candle. So if this candle high broke by this candle high, so this become our a valid pullback like this. Now I hope you understand what is a valid pullback and how we can identify them and what criteria you should follow to confirm any valid pullback. So this video is a very helpful and you can rewatch this video. And if you are new, subscribe channel and don't forget to join our free Telegram channel, link in description. Go and check out, and I will see you in the next video. Happy trading.